Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Ed. It's a G07 19-inch chassis. It came to me dead. I put a new flyback in, put some fresh caps in, got it up and running, but it wouldn't sync correctly. So I checked all through the sync circuit, and everything in the sync circuit was good. So my next line down the circuit I would go to was IC501. I replaced that and put a socket in there, and now we got a great picture. Turn it down a little bit. Beautiful. Yep, usually the last thing I do if there's a sync problem is replace IC501. So I don't like to waste chips if it's not the problem. So everything's looking good. Nice steady picture. New flyback. There's IC501. Socketed, working good. Did some reflow work. Nichicon caps. I didn't replace the fuse on this one. The hot was okay. The fuse was okay. The flyback was bad though. So this one's ready to go back. See ya.